So this is my first time doing this. Hope it works. I'm going to take one of these, what I call squishy pumpkin. Actually, it's foam. I think it's foam. I've had these sitting in my storage unit in the backyard, and they're kind of beat up. I've had these for years, and I washed them a little bit. Got most of the dirt off. It's still a little bit wet. So we're going to remake them into something pretty. I only have two of these. These are fairly large. I tried to find these in the store. I couldn't find them anywhere. I went to Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Walmart. It's the final week of August, so maybe they don't have them out yet. But considering Hobby Lobby already has Christmas stuff out, you'd think I'd be able to find these. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to take one and I'm going to cut a circle right here. And the knife goes in pretty well. Try not to cut myself here. Okay. Oh, and it's hollow. I didn't know it was hollow. It's hollow. Okay, then on the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing. Makes it a lot easier. It's hollow. And I'm going to save this. And it's held in there. There's a toothpick right here. I bought some yarn. It's chenille yarn. Chunky chenille yarn. And I'm going to start here. I think I'm going to hot glue it here. Glue the end of the yarn right in the inside. And I do want a long strand of it. And I'm just guessing as far as the length. So we're going to wrap it all around this pumpkin. In one side and out the other. So you're going, I start at the top and you go through that hole and you're going to wind it all the way around. Actually, what I should have done is spray painted this or painted it so it's not orange, but it's too late now. It doesn't matter. Like so far. So I'm going to keep going all the way around. As you put more yarn through this hole here, you're going to find that it gets a little bit harder and harder because you have so many layers of yarn going through, and you kind of have to use your finger as a hook to find the end of it and pull it through. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and do this part. Now you're going to take the top of it. So I'm left with a little stubby, with the little stem, which you're going to put right on top. But first, I want to decide if I want to put ribbon. So I decided to put a little ribbon in the middle of it, so I glued it underneath my little stem, and I hot glued the stem onto the pumpkin. And I'm just going to tie it right now in a little bow. There you go. And you have a cute little pumpkin. I have other yarn. I'm gonna make a beige one. Um, they're very cute. I'm going to paint this one though first, and then make another one. Very simple, very easy.